Hi, everybody. I'm Arthur Teasy, technologist, musician, and founder of Hunova.com. Today, a simple primer on what multimodal artificial intelligence is. So imagine a system that doesn't just predict what movie you might like based on past views, but understands why a specific storyline resonates with you emotionally. This isn't about surface level predictions, but driving and diving deep into personal experiences and cultural contexts. Natural language processing, machine learning, and deep learning are really converging, and they will reshape our understanding of human behavior. And one of the coolest frontiers to me in this evolution is multimodal AI. It's the method of AI that doesn't just rely on a single form of data input, but multiple modes, like combining auditory, visual, and textual signals. So current NLP models like OpenAI's GPT series have shown a lot of success in understanding and generating human-like text. But there's so much more under the surface of our words: the intonation, the hesitation, the pacing, the volume, and these other vocal nuances that really add layers of meaning. NLP is integrating more closely with paralinguistic and these nonverbal cues with systems that can not only understand the words we say, but also detect the emotions and the intentions behind them by analyzing vocal patterns. And we refer to that as layered voice analysis, alongside visual cues like facial expressions, which are referred to as micro expressions. So chatbots and virtual assistants and other interactive AI systems can perceive if a user is frustrated or happy or pissed off or indifferent. Customer service AI then can adjust its responses based on the detected mood and the actual personality of a person. If you think about machine learning at its core, what it does is it enables systems to learn from data. And as we produce exponentially more quality and quantity in data, the capability of machine learning models to predict human behavior becomes even more intricate. Or as you think about wearable technology and how that continues to advance, we're going to see machine learning working with biometric data, picking up behavioral signal patterns from heart rates and skin conductivity, or even brain waves, stuff that was really science fiction not too long ago. Deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning that employs neural networks mirroring the human brain structure, have been pivotal in advancements like image and speech recognition. And we are seeing these neural networks becoming even more sophisticated, closer to mimicking the complexity and adaptability of the human brain. For behavioral signals, this means that you can watch a human face and determine not just what emotion they're feeling, or even predict short-term future emotional reactions based on these minute physiological changes. And in that way, AI is becoming much more adept at actually reading, quote unquote, humans. But from a magic standpoint, it really comes together when all these systems work and combine through multimodal AI. So if you think about by simultaneously processing visual, auditory, textual signals, along with other data, multimodal AI will provide a much more holistic understanding of human behavior. So for example, in a therapy scenario, while a patient describes their feelings, which are textual, and the AI would be able to analyze HIPAA-compliant data with their facial expressions, which is visual, and the tone of voice, which is auditory, to provide these real-time feedback mechanisms to therapists, or even predict triggers for specific emotional reactions. So another example in education could be multimodal AI understanding a student's learning patterns and understanding their written responses, the vocal questions, and even their facial expressions, whether they're of confusion or understanding, and tailoring these educational experiences that are truly personalized, and that creates a far richer pedagogical approach. While the potential is pretty mind-blowing, there are challenges, and one huge challenge is data privacy. So there will and there should be questions about consent, especially when analyzing and predicting emotional and behavioral responses. Bias is another important issue. If the AI systems are trained on skewed data sets, suboptimal data, poor technological expertise, or use discriminatory data that lacks diversity of things like age or geography or race and gender, the behavioral predictions and the readings could be inherently biased, leading to misinterpretations and really turning from good to harmful. Here's the windup. The domains of NLP, machine learning, and deep learning are set to redefine our relationship with technology, and they're going to push the boundaries of what we once thought possible. As these systems grow more interconnected and more sophisticated, our understanding of human behavior is going to really expand exponentially through the use of multimodal artificial intelligence. However, as we take this trip, this ride, striking a balance between innovation and ethical considerations is going to be crucial. The potential is undoubtedly vast, but the responsibility is equally significant. So I wanted to thank you for viewing. Hope this was valuable to you. Stay happy to be alive and try to help others.